Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. What is happening? This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakuha kayo ng dagdag na mensahe or messages for you. Thank you, Gemini. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in your love relationship and romantic situation. Anong nangyayari sa inyong relasyon or sa inyong romantic situation, okay? Okay. The Hierophant, okay? About commitment and marriage. Yeah. For some of you, masaya kayo sa inyong relationship ngayon. You are in a committed or committed relationship, or maybe you are engaged. Okay? For some of you, you are questioning. Yeah, you are questioning about parang merong trust issues, no? Parang hindi ka ganun ka-confident sa inyong relasyon. Yeah. The Emperor. You are thinking about your future. Thinking about long-term plans. Okay? Maybe you are a business owner. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are heartbroken. So you need to release some past hurts. Okay? You need to release frustrations sa mga dati mong experiences na hindi maganda. Okay? You have to forgive yourself. You need to heal yourself, Gemini. Okay? Two of Cups. Two of Cups, tingnan natin. Bakit may Two of Cups from your person? Yeah, Ace of Wands, no? So, for some of you, gusto i-rekindle ng person ninyo ang inyong relationship, okay? Yeah, gusto niya makipagbate, gusto niya maging close kayo, or next level na ang inyong relationship. Okay? Yung spark, gusto niya ibalik yung spark sa relationship. Your person is in love with you. Okay? Ace of Wands. Yeah, Seven of Cups. Yeah, your person wants to be with you. Okay? Living together. Bakit may Four of Swords? Your person, kung meron man siyang nagawa na hindi maganda dati, or meron kayong, siguro kung meron mang emotional breakup sa inyong relationship, gusto niya ayusin yun, gusto niya i-fix, okay? Gusto niyang bumawi sa inyo. Yeah. He or she wants to give happiness to you. Four of Swords, yes. Eight of Cups. Emotional distance, yeah. Kung meron mang emotional distance na nangyari, gusto ayusin ng person mo yan, okay? Gusto niya i-fix. And now, gusto niyang maging close or lumapit sa inyo. Gusto niya ng forgiveness. Okay? Yeah, Ace of Swords. Nagkaroon na siya ng mental clarity about the situation. Merong mga realization na nangyari sa kanya. Okay? And na-realize niya na mahal ka ng person na to and he or she wants to be with you. Okay? Nine of Cups. Bakit Nine of Cups? Eight of Swords. Okay? Yeah. Yes. So, mahal ka ng person mo. Okay? Gusto niya iparamdam yan sa'yo. Kung dati nawawalan siya ng confidence na lumapit sa inyo, he or she is overcoming that. Kung meron siyang mga insecurities or hindi siya ganun ka-confident, now, gusto niya i-express yun, okay? Nakikinig siya sa kanyang intuition. May tiwala siya sa inyong relationship, Gemini. Okay? Yeah, kung dati merong insecurities, okay? Ngayon, he or she is overcoming that at gusto niyang iparamdam, ipakita yan sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. King of Wands. Yeah. King of Pentacles. Okay. So, Gemini, you want your person to take the initiative. Okay? Ipakita na gusto mo na yung person mo ipakita nyo sa inyo na protective siya or nakakapag-provide siya sa inyo. Okay? Gusto mo makita na independent siya in a sense. I mean, financially independent. Okay? And nasusuportahan ikaw at meron siyang kakayahan na suportahan ka o yung buong pamilya nyo. Okay? So, you want that person, gusto mo na meron siyang kakayahan financially to support you. Okay? Or yung family mo or yung magiging family nyo. Okay? Yeah. And for some of you, Gemini, you feel that your person is taking the lead in the relationship. Okay? Yeah, the Lovers. He or she is making things happen in your relationship. Okay? Yeah. Parang nakikita mo na pinapatunayan ng person mo sa inyo na kaya niyang buhayin, okay? Or kaya niyang i-manage ng maayos ang inyong relationship, okay? Yeah. Three of Pentacles. Page of Cups. Bakit may Eight of Pentacles? Okay. So, may kailangang ayusin yung person ninyo sa inyo. Okay? Or sa inyong relasyon. Siguro kung meron niyang emotional separation or distance sa inyo dati, merong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? So, yung person nyo, the challenge is kailangan niya i-fix kung meron mang trust issues sa part mo. Okay? Kailangan niya i-rebuild uli. Ibalik yung trust. Okay? Yeah. Kung ang challenge o yung problema sa sitwasyon nyo dati is because of third party. Okay? Yeah. You want your person. Gusto mo na patunayan ng person nyo sa inyo na walang third party. Okay? So, he or she is really have to work hard on that. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Ano yung the wheel? Yeah, Five of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng turning point ay inyong relationship. Okay. Yeah, Knight of Wands. Taking action. Yeah. Yeah, kung dati parang walang magandang nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon, parang stuck yung relasyon, walang improvement or development, okay, or hindi ka nabibigyan ng pansin, ng oras, okay, may problema tungkol dyan. Now, it is turning, okay? The wheel is turning. Merong turning point, may pagbabago, may changes, positive change. Meron ng movement, meron ng galaw, okay? In your relationship. Yes. The Chariot, okay? Tingnan natin. Oops. Yeah, Ten of Wands. Okay. So, both of you is working together para maging maayos ang relationship. Magkakaroon ng pag-aayos. Merong support sa isa't isa. Okay. Yeah. Both of you will be willing to work things out para sa inyong relasyon. Okay. Yeah, the Sun. See? So, parang new beginning na naman para sa inyong relationship. Okay? Okay. Light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? Merong pag-asa sa relationship, both of you. Okay? Yung person ninyo gusto niya i-work out or ayusin. Yes. Yung relationship. Parang nagpapakita na ngayon siya ng kanyang affection, ng kanyang efforts. Okay? Para ayusin or magkaroon ng improvement or development ang inyong relasyon. Okay? Likewise, ikaw ganun din. Nakikita mo na yung person mo gumagawa ng aksyon regarding sa stability ng inyong relasyon. Not only emotionally side, but also in your finances. No? Sa finances ng inyong, maybe meron yung iba sa inyo, may family na kayo or hindi pa, okay? But you are working on it. Material wealth. Okay, there is happiness. Okay. So, pagtatapos ng burden sa inyong relationship, okay, you are moving forward, both of you. Okay? Nice. Tingnan natin. Gemini. Hidden truths from your person. Yeah, gumagawa, okay? Both of you gagawa ng paraan para ma-improve ang inyong relasyon. Okay? Mapagtagumpayan kung ano man yung mga challenges na darating pa or problema sa inyong relasyon. Okay? You are both determined na magtagumpay ang inyong relasyon. I want you. Yes. I don't react when people mention you. Okay? Merong ganyan. I bury myself in work to forget you. Okay? That's for some of you. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Gemini. Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Okay? So, Gemini, maraming salamat sa iyo. These are your energies and messages para sa inyong love, relationship, and romantic situation. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!